Today, we're going to make a zombie shooting game in Scratch. In this game, you will control Steve and use a machine gun to defend against waves of zombies. By the end of this video, you'll build your own zombie survival game with Steve. It's fun, easy to follow, and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. First, let's upload the background. You can find the background in the download files, or you can create your own. Next, let's upload all the sprites we need for the game. First, you'll need a zombie sprite. Next, upload Steve, who will be our main character and zombie hunter. Then, we need a machine gun sprite that Steve will use to defend. And finally, upload a bullet sprite, which will be fired from the machine gun. Let's add some controls for the machine gun. When the green flag is clicked, use a forever loop to continuously switch costumes so it looks like the gun is shooting automatically. We will also use the mouse to control the gun. So when the green flag is clicked, use forever loop to make the gun always stay with Steve and point towards the mouse pointer. Now the machine gun will move smoothly with the player and aim wherever the mouse goes. Next, let's make the bullet shooting system work. When the green flag is clicked, make the bullet hide first. Then use a forever loop where we play a gunshot sound and create a clone of the bullet every 0.3 seconds. When I start as a clone, make it go to the gun position, then make it show and point it towards the mouse direction. Next, use a repeat until block to make the bullet move 15 steps forward continuously. If the bullet touches the edge of the screen or goes off screen, delete the clone so it disappears. Now the machine gun can continuously shoot bullets toward the mouse direction. Now, let's make the zombies move toward Steve. When the green flag is clicked, make the zombie hide first. Then use a repeat block to create 30 clones, waiting 0.2 seconds between each one. This will spawn a wave of zombies. When I start as a clone, make it appear from a random position on the left side of the screen, then show it. Use a forever loop so the zombie keeps chasing Steve. Switch to the next costume continuously to create a running animation and move 7 steps towards Steve each time. If the zombie is hit by a bullet, then delete the clone so it disappears. Now the zombies will keep chasing Steve. Now what happens to Steve? When the green flag is clicked, make Steve show on the screen. If a zombie touches Steve, then Steve disappears and the game ends immediately. But what if Steve survives? Let's add a condition to the zombies. If Steve survives the whole wave, then after 2 seconds, broadcast a survive message. Now go back to the Steve sprite. When he receives the survive message, make him say, "I survived," and then stop the game. And that's it. You've just created your own zombie shooting game in Scratch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next game.